everyone, this is my no makeup look. So let's get now blend it with your hands. To cover my dark circles, now I will be applying Maybelline concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I had already done reviewing and unboxing of this pack brushes. If you want unboxing of this pack brushes, I will share the link in the description box. To blend this foundation, I am going to use pack 02 brush. With the foundation, I am going to apply this Maybelline Compact with this pack 01 brush. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Dew Face Sculpt for contouring my nose with this pack brushes 06 and 05. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use Maybelline brow dew shaper. It's brown color. I just shape my brows so I don't need it too much. As I said, I don't need it too much, so I'm not going to fill all the brows. I'm just filling the gaps. It is super easy to shape your brows with this dew shaper. It is very helpful. This is one of my favorite brow shaper. Oh, it is done. So now I'm going to do finishing of my eyebrows with this Pack 06 brush. Instead of this, you can also use concealer. I'm using this because it's super easy. Well, I'm not a professional in makeup. This is all my makeup tricks, as you can follow as well. I'm always in a hurry, so I need everything should be quick. So, what do you guys think about my brows? Now for contouring, I'm using the same Makeup Revolution Dual Sculpt. This Pack 03 brush. Using this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink to fill my lips. Done this makeup tutorial natural look. Let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like it or not? So I had buy this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. Can you guys see it? From Nykaa.com. I am in love with this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. As you can see, it is an awesome product I have been ever used. So let me know in the comment section below, do you guys like this look or not? Or you can rate this look. There are many shades in this, so please don't forget to check out on Nykaa.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please subscribe to my another channel as well, HVLifestyle. I will link down below, you can find easily. And also you can suggest me what to do in next video. So please comment down below. Your ideas. So till then, take care. Bye bye.